Functional properties of dairy ingredients. What do we mean by functional properties? The functional properties of dairy ingredients may be defined in relation to their performance as ingredients in final product or formulated foods. The functional properties of the ingredients are those properties which provide specific function in the final products. Functional properties determine the overall behavior of ingredients in foods during processing, applications, storage, and consumption. Functional properties of a particular ingredient determine their end use in the final product. The functional properties of dairy ingredients typically dependent upon type and composition of ingredients, example WPC, WPI, MPC caseinate. Processing conditions, primary processing during ingredient making and secondary processing during formulations. Formulations, final product, example beverage, soup, sauces, ice cream, bakery. What is solubility and why is it important? It is an ability of dairy ingredients to readily go in the solution and remain soluble under different processing conditions such as heat treatments or in different formulations such different pH or mineral levels. During reconstitution or while making beverages, complete solubilization or rehydration of dairy ingredients is very important. To avoid defects, example chalkiness, gritty texture. To avoid settling or floating of particles. To provide desired nutritional and functional benefits. Several factors can affect reconstitution of dairy ingredients. Water quality, hardness, mineral content, etc. Reconstitution temperature. pH of the solvent. Other component present in the solvent, example sugar, competition with other components, availability and mobility of water. Particle chemistry, surface composition, example fat on surface, surface charge, hydrophilic or hydrophobic, denaturation and aggregation of proteins. Particle morphology, particle size and shape, agglomeration, porosity, surface area, etc. What is heat stability and emulsification? Heat stability can be defined as an ability of a given sample to withstand UHT sterilization, 140-145 degrees C 4-5 S, or retort temperatures, 120 degrees C 20 minutes, without coagulation, precipitation or excessive thickening, gelation, viscosity increase. In the process of making all-in-water emulsions, all water interfaces are created. These interfaces are protected by adsorption of surfactants and partially lost again by recoalescence of those emulsion droplets that are not protected quickly enough by surfactants. Other formability, whippability. Foaming whipping is defined as the creation and stabilization of gas bubbles in a liquid. Milk proteins have surface-active properties. Milk proteins easily adsorb on fat globule interfaces during homogenization and to the air-water interface during whipping. It is well known that both caseins and whey proteins have excellent surface-active properties. Dairy ingredients such as WPC, WPI, MPC and skim milk powders are beneficial in the development of foam incorporation of air. Example, during manufacture of ice cream, frozen desserts, whipped toppings, meringues, mousses and cakes. To learn more, download the app Food Safety Standard. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube.